Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this HENMI, light emitted diode bicycle light for the front side of your vehicle, your bicycle, with 100 LUX maximum power. It is approved for the drive on the streets in a city, for example. It's a bicycle lamp for front and USB rechargeable bicycle light with battery prompt, low and 3 lightning modes. IPX5 waterproof, and we can go with it a long time. Because we have 3 modes switchable at any time. These front bicycle lamps offer 3 brightness modes: 100 lux, 70 lux, and 45 lux, to meet different needs while cycling. The bicycle light turns off automatically after 4 minutes of standstill, of idle. This intelligent design avoids energy loss caused by forgetting to turn off the light. The energy saving and automatically falling asleep version is really cool. It's a riding partner in wind and rain because this LED bicycle light has an advanced waterproof design that meets the international standard IPX5, which can ensure us do not worry about sudden rain, short or wet morning hours. The Type-C charging port is also equipped with a waterproof rubber cover to prevent water or dust from entering and ensure that the internal components are not affected. Provides us with a stable and reliable bicycle lighting while driving. And battery and charge level at a glance. With the intuitive power indicator, we can always know what power is left. We say goodbye to the fear of battery life and ensures are ready for every ride. The bicycle light, this battery is charged with USB Type-C, which is compatible with the most modern electronic devices. So it can be charged anywhere in any time using your AC adapter from a smartphone. Use an USB port from your laptop. Use an USB socket. Use an iPad, for example, or a power bank. Really big bunch of reloading possibilities here. And with a good light effect. The LED bicycle light approved by the StVZO. It has a glare-free technology with even light distribution, which provides the drivers with a clear view and a good light effect when we drive at night. And it makes it easier to recognize obstacles, traffic signs, pedestrians, and so on, with a viewing range of up to 200 meters. And as you can see, it comes with a quick installation process, and this is tool-free. You need only your tools, that means your hands. The HENMI bicycle light can be mounted and disassembled without tools. This saves time and, of course, work. It's designed for nearly all types of bicycles. Whether it is a city bike, a mountain bike, a pedelec, an electric assistance bike, or a road bike, or whatever. It directly fits to our bike handlebars, of course perfectly, because we have a lot of possibilities of get it installed on your handlebars easily, because we have a mounting stuff. It turns off automatically after 4 minutes of no movement. We should install it on our handlebars after we reload the battery, of course, that we can handle with the USB cable. And then we fix it to the position, easy peasy. And then we should install it that we can see 5 up to 10 meters of range. And we can make a short press on the button for 170 or 45 lumen. really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.